In today's top cryptocurrency news, January 25, 2023, in the first new, price analysis 125, BTC, ETH, BNB, XRP, ADA, DOGE, MATIC, DOT, LTC, AVAX. Bitcoin and the wider crypto market began to correct after the bullish momentum that drove last week's rally to year-to-date highs started to fizzle out. In the second new, Binance tightens NFT rules, Nifty Newsletter, January 18 to 24. Lawyers believe that NFT court orders could help reach defendants that cannot be contacted using ordinary means. In the third new, South Korean prosecutors request arrest warrant for Bithumb owner, report. One of the country's largest crypto exchanges has fallen under investigators' scrutiny over allegations of embezzlement by company executives. In the fourth new, why is Bitcoin price down today? Bitcoin price is down today after reaching a 2023 high above $23,300. Was the rally a bull trap, and what will it take for BTC to regain its bullish momentum? In the fifth new, hackers take over Robinhood's Twitter account to promote scam token. A since-removed tweet called on Robinhood's 1.1 million Twitter followers to each pay $0.0005 for a token called RBH on the Binance Smart Chain. In the sixth new, $1.48 billion in Bitcoin options expire on Friday. Will BTC hold $22,000? BTC price has started to correct, and with $1.48 billion in Bitcoin options expiring on January 27, traders are watching to see if the price holds above $22,000. In the seventh new, judge denies motions from Celsius users seeking to reclaim assets. Two claimants called out former Celsius CEO Alex Mashinsky in motions, claiming he misled users, while all suggested that the platform's terms of use left assets in their control. In the eighth new, venture capital investments into blockchain continue to freefall, report. Q4 2022 saw investment capital inflows of $2.3 billion, continuing the trend since April sparked by the collapse of Terra and subsequent fallout. In the ninth new, exclusive NFT presale to treat all the hard workers, feat Snoop Dogg and Billy Ray Cyrus. Metaverse platform Animal Concerts, Cointelegraph, the Avila Brothers, Billy Ray Cyrus and Snoop Dogg are celebrating blue-collar workers with a new NFT collection. In the 10th new, Nifty Gateway co-founders resign amid Gemini woes. Nifty Gateway was founded in 2018 and acquired by Gemini in 2019. In the 11th new, Bitcoin due for shakeup versus gold, stocks as BTC price dips under $22,500. Bitcoin is still in line for a breakout, analysis concludes, as short-term weakness sees BTC price fall below $22,500. In the 12th new, film review, Human Beat shows a personal journey with Bitcoin. A review of a predominantly German-language film that challenges the misconceptions and misunderstandings surrounding Bitcoin. In the 13th new, NFT creator, Vittoria crushes it in her big girl pants. Named on Forbes 30 Under 30, Vittoria made a big splash in the traditional art world and has since embraced NFTs, collaborating with the Hundreds, World of Women and as Moonpay's artist in residence. Pranksy is a fan and her work has notched up over 1,350 ETH in secondary sales on OpenSea alone. In the 14th new, Injective launches $150 million ecosystem fund to boost DeFi, Cosmos adoption. DeFi has proven to be a resilient and reliable option for users in the face of the overarching CeFi collapse in 2022, said Eric Chen, CEO of Injective Labs. In the 15th new, why less may be more when building Web3. To build secure and resilient Web3 systems, transparency alone is not enough. By placing greater emphasis on simplicity, we can make the peer review of code more effective and minimize security breaches in the Web3 space. In the 16th new, UK Bitcoin community reacts to incoming CBDC and digital pound rollout. A new role, head of CBDC, will help the United Kingdom to explore the case for a digital pound, although UK Bitcoiners would argue that might not be necessary. In the 17th new, how Web3 could revolutionize loyalty programs. Loyalty programs are great, and many consumers opt for certain brands because of these programs. But they can get better, and blockchain technology can improve. In the 18th new, Keith Comito on the benefits of blockchain tech and decentralization in longevity research. The co-founder of Lifespan.io is harnessing the power of decentralization to support cutting-edge scientific and technological discoveries. In the 19th new, Ripple, Binance impersonators target XRP holders via fake staking program. Online fraudsters attempt to lure in XRP investors by offering fake staking services with an ROI of up to 31% for a token that is not based on proof-of-stake consensus. In the 20th new, smart contracts to power day-to-day Web3 company operations. The project aims to help decentralized autonomous companies by providing an operating system that integrates various tools for governance and management. In the 21st new, Bitcoin faces considerable danger from Fed in 2023, Lynn Alden. It is not all plain sailing when it comes to Bitcoin's price recovery this year, with US liquidity conditions calling the shots. In the 22nd new, Bitcoin mining brings more than money to this East African country. A Bitcoin mining project in a remote corner of Malawi connects more families to the grid while delivering economic empowerment to an impoverished region. In the 23rd new, what is a crypto index fund, and how to invest in it? A crypto index fund is a type of investment fund that holds a basket of cryptocurrencies, similar to a traditional stock index fund. In the 24th new, Australia ranks third in crypto ATM installations after US and Canada. Australia now enjoys 234 crypto ATMs, which puts her in the third spot globally after the United States and Canada. In the 25th new, Genesis sues Roger Ver for $20 million over unsettled crypto options trades. Roger Ver, commonly known as Bitcoin Jesus, has 20 days to answer the summons from Genesis unit GGC International before being required to pay by default. In the 26th new, crypto exchange Digital Surge emerges as a rare survivor of FTX fallout. The Australian crypto exchange lost access to $23.4 million of digital assets when FTX collapsed and FTX's Australian subsidiary went into administration. In the 27th new, Nifty News, Porsche ends low-effort NFT mint early, Oreo dunks into the metaverse and more. Porsche's first foray into NFTs appears to have flopped after recording underwhelming sales and was heavily criticized by the community. In the 28th new, 6 on-chain metrics suggesting Bitcoin is a generational buying opportunity. 6 tried and tested on-chain metrics are repeating patterns last seen at the bottom of the past 3 bear markets. In the 29th new, Saudi Central Bank still researching CBDC, but no decision on deployment. Saudi Arabia's central bank stressed that no decision has been made to launch a CBDC, but it will continue to research use cases. In the 30th new, stablecoins and CBDCs might play meaningful role in payments, Visa CEO. Visa began working on a blockchain interoperability project in September 2021 to support CBDC and stablecoin adoption, but few updates have been made since. Today's news ends here. Tomorrow there will be more news. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to stay up to date with cryptocurrency news. See you tomorrow.